The number of publicly traded on stock markets has declined by 50% over the last 25 years. That's an alarming number. The number of new companies coming to the stock market is down to about 100 a year, down from 400 or 500 a year, an even more alarming number. And a third perspective is that the size of these companies coming to market is over $1 billion. So this is no longer a market for small punters wanting to invest $100 here, $1,000 there. This is a mega market for mega institutions investing mega bucks. Question: where does then a small business person wishing to invest his or her money gain access to the new world of private equity companies, the new world of venture capital? You used to be able to go on the stock market and punt. I remember the Vancouver mining market. They had a mine in every town and city in the world, and you could put 15 cents in and maybe you'd lose it all, maybe you'd get 10 times back. But there was an ability to invest in whatever you deemed to be an appropriate risk for you and your family. Today, in publicly traded markets, that is simply no longer possible. Small companies are not listing. It's simply too expensive for them, and they're remaining in private hands. So I think there's a real question here in terms of a larger framework of society and people able to invest, that they're being cut off of all the innovative investments that might be available, except for those huge monsters like Apple, Microsoft, and Google. And they've done very well, but maybe you want to invest in something that's new in a startup. You're only going to be able to do that if you get involved with private equity or venture capital, and you're only going to be able to do that if your net worth is considerably above what it is for the average Canadian who 50 years ago used to be able to invest in the stock market and take, as they say, take a punt. Times have changed, and they've changed dramatically, and I think we need to start thinking about public policy with respect to small investors and small startups so that the new world economy, which is exploding around us, is available to everybody as an investment opportunity.